This is the Samsung Galaxy A23, one of Samsung's latest device from the A series. Inside the box, we get the user manual, the phone, the Galaxy A23, the charging brick, a Type-C cable, and a SIM ejector pin. And that's pretty much it. All this will cost you $230 or 119,000 naira. Okay, let's get into the review. Before that, the intro. Are you seeing the reflection? Yeah, it's a glossy finish, a plastic back and a plastic frame. The fingerprint smudges aren't that noticeable though. Design-wise, it's more similar to its older brother, the Galaxy A53, than its predecessor, the Galaxy A22. We get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection, and that's good. However, I don't think we get water resistance on here. The Galaxy A23 is a weird one from Samsung. It definitely has some upgrades but some confusing downgrades. For example, the display. It got upgraded from 720p to 1080p, which might seem great but it's not AMOLED. The Galaxy A23 has a TFT display, so it turns out that it's not an upgrade, it's more of a downgrade. It's still a pretty decent display. It's 6.6 inches, 20:9 aspect ratio, and it's still 90Hz, but still, this should have been AMOLED. Another confusing downgrade is in the cameras. The main sensor got a spec bump from 48 megapixels to 50 megapixels, but in the ultra-wide and selfie, we see a downgrade. The ultra-wide from 8 megapixels on the A22 to 5 megapixels on the Galaxy A23, and the selfie from 13 megapixels to 8 megapixels. The macro and depth cameras remain unchanged at 2 megapixels. Now, the spec downgrade might not be as bad as you think because Samsung is getting better and better with their software. In this case, image processing, and pictures actually look decent. Front-facing video from the Samsung Galaxy A23 also doubles as audio quality test, so let me know what you think of both the video and the audio quality. We do get a headphone jack, thankfully. At the bottom we also get the USB Type-C port and the mono speaker grill. On the right side we get the volume rockers and the power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the left side we get the dual nano SIM card plus memory card slots. On the software front, we get Android 12 on One UI 4.1, and it's going to get updated until Android 15. Yes, 3 years of software update is what Samsung promised, which is awesome. The processor on the Galaxy A23 is a Snapdragon 680, a 6nm processor, way more efficient than the 12nm processor on the Samsung Galaxy A22. That's the MediaTek Helio G80. So we are looking at better performance and better battery life on the Galaxy A23. Now, speaking about battery, we get a 5000 mAh battery capable of 25 watts of fast charging. And like I mentioned at the start of this video, we do get a 25 watt fast charger in the box, unlike the Galaxy A53. So should you buy the Galaxy A23 or should you upgrade from the Galaxy A22? To be honest, I don't think so. I do not see this as a worthy upgrade unless you really want the 3 years of software updates. And even then, I think you can go with the Galaxy A22 for another year since it's going to get the Android 12 update. So that concludes my review. I hope you enjoyed watching. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoe. Thank you so much for watching, and you'll see me in the next one.